students, this is the fourth video of this chapter and we are going to discuss the digestion of food. Have you ever thought that when you take a piece of food inside your body, then how that food is converted into essential nutrients? Yes, I guess you don't know. So let's have a look at this video to understand this concept. Digestion and absorption. We are undergoing the topic digestion of food. What is digestion? Digestion is a process by which what is happening? Complex food that we have taken into the mouth is being converted into simple food with the help of digestive enzymes. Why is it so? Because it is only after digestion that the process of absorbing nutrients from that food will start. The process of digestion in mammals starts in buccopharyngeal cavity here, and it is found in stomach and in small intestine. There are two types of digestion. First is mechanical digestion, second is chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion is including mastication or chewing, liquefaction of food by digestive juices, swallowing and peristalsis. So all the mechanical processes are coming under mechanical digestion. Chemical digestion includes only the chemical processes, that is enzymatic action of food. Digestion in buccopharyngeal cavity is digesting starch. So starch is digested in buccopharyngeal cavity and this starch is 5% of total food, or you can say 20 to 30% of the carbohydrates. In stomach, proteins are digested, while in small intestine, three components, carbohydrates, proteins and fats are digested, and this digestion is occurring with the help of enzymes, and these enzymes are secreted by pancreas and intestinal glands. So let's have a look at a video to understand this process completely, that how the process of digestion of food is taking place. Look into the video. Food is changed by the organs into the form to be absorbed by the body. So food mixes with saliva in mouth. Saliva starts dissolving food as the teeth grind it and cut it. Food is forced back into the pharynx by the tongue. With the help of larynx, food is entering into trachea and esophagus. Food enters into the stomach through esophageal sphincter. The unique muscles of stomach break the food into chyme. These are the small pieces, and this chyme, you can see esophageal sphincter is there. Yes, and the food is broken down into chyme, and this chyme is again entering into the duodenum of small intestine through pyloric sphincter. Major portion of digestion and absorption takes place in small intestine. The mucosa secretes enzymes that supplement the digestive enzymes of pancreas and liver. Okay, so the chemical process of digestion completes here. The walls are covered with villi where nutrient absorption takes place. The structure of villus contains a capillary, you can see, and lacteal to pick up the digestive nutrients. The blood transports the nutrients towards the cell of the body. Undigested food moves to large intestine and colon through ileocaval valve. Peristalsis pushes the feces towards rectum. Look into the colon. It absorbs water, manufactures vitamins, produces mucus and forms these feces which are pushed towards rectum with the help of peristalsis. Hope you have understood the complete process of digestion of food inside the body. In our next video, I'll be explaining you how the absorption of these digestive products takes place inside the body.